Are Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, and other luxury bags made in China and then shipped to France or Italy for labeling? In this video, I'm sharing my personal take on the rumors swirling around about these luxury brands and their manufacturing processes. I'll also be unboxing some new bags I got from Louis Vuitton and Chanel and Dior. Guess what? That were on my wish list for a long time. My goal is not to educate or give you the facts. You can find that elsewhere. I just want to share my opinion based on my own experience as someone who loves luxury fashion. Let me know in the comments, do you think these bags are made in China and just labeled in France or Italy? Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about something I've been seeing a lot of on social media lately. I'm sure you've seen the rumors that Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes, and other luxury brands are secretly made in China and then they're shipped to France or Italy just to slap that made in France label on them. Like, really? Is it true? Well, I'm here to share my opinion on it. Plus, I've got some exciting unboxing of my own LV, Chanel, and Dior items that I'll be opening right here. Let's get into it. So first things first, why are people spreading this rumor? Let's talk about why I think this luxury made in China rumor keeps popping up. I get why people are suspicious. First, I think it's partly about mistrust. A lot of people don't fully trust big luxury brands. They assume these companies are just, about hype and profit. Second, they often associate with mass production or fakes, especially in the world of fashion. There are a lot of counterfeit bags out there, and sometimes it feels like luxury brands might be cutting corners. Plus, we all know about the stigma that anything made in China is somehow lower quality. And then, there are social media creators who want views. Let's be honest, saying something controversial like your luxury bag is actually made in China grabs attention fast. It makes people feel like they've been scammed even if that's not the case. Some of them might even be misinformed themselves. They see a bag with a made in Spain or made in Italy tag and assume it's fake just because it's not from France. That's not how it works. But once a rumor goes viral, it spreads like wildfire. But here's my thing. I don't buy the rumor that these bags are made in China, then shipped to France or Italy just to be labeled. It feels too far-fetched. And honestly, I think it's one of those things that sounds like it could be true, but it's not. These brands are too big, too established, and have way too much at stake to risk a scandal like that. Think about it. If they were doing something shady like that, we'd know. People would be exposing it left and right, but it's just left and right. But it's just not happening. Anyway, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not saying that items made in China are automatically poor quality. Not at all. There are actually a lot of amazing products that come out of China, especially in technology and fast fashion. What I'm saying is, when it comes to luxury brands like Chanel, LV, Hermes, part of what we're paying for is the tradition, the European craftsmanship, the heritage, that whole experience. If someone's claiming that these bags are secretly made in China but labeled made in France, it kind of goes against what luxury stands for. That's why I personally don't believe it. Now, to be fair, I do believe that some parts of luxury bags might be outsourced. And that's not a scandal. That's how modern manufacturing works. The zippers might come from Japan, the thread from Germany, and yes, some materials or hardware might come from factories in China. But that doesn't mean the whole bag is made in China or that it's fake. What matters is where the final assembly and craftsmanship happens. And brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes are still super strict about that. So just because a few components come from different countries doesn't mean you're being misled. To me, that's just part of how global production works, even at the luxury level. Alright, let's get to the fun part, unboxing. I've been really excited about these pieces and I wanted to share them with you as soon as I opened them for the first time. So let's start with the Louis Vuitton. The first bag is this classic beauty, the Louis Vuitton Speedy B25 in Damier Ebene. This is one of those timeless pieces that every LV lover eventually gravitates toward. It's iconic and easy to style. I love that the Damier Ebene has such a clean, polished look. You've got the gold hardware, the zipper is smooth, and it feels solid in your hands. This is made in France and you can see the heat stamp right here on the inside tab. I've been wanting to get this bag for the longest time, but it's always out of stock. Every time I stop by the Louis Vuitton store, I'm always last on the bandwagon. I would absolutely love this for travel as it fits all your travel documents, beauty essentials, and even if it gets wet unexpectedly, you don't have to worry too much because it's made of canvas. Just wipe it dry right away and you're good to go. It's not high maintenance. It doesn't stain easily and it's super easy to clean. And the best part, you can fold it flat and pack it inside your suitcase. That way, you can still bring an extra bag for events or dinners while you're traveling. I already know I'll be using this a lot. It's the perfect everyday and travel-friendly size. Next up is this super cute piece, another bag from Louis Vuitton. This one has been on my wish list for a while, and like the Speedy 25 or Speedy B25, it was always out of stock. Yes, the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack in monogram canvas. This one has been on my wish list, like I mentioned, for a while, and it was always out of stock. It's small but very functional. You can wear it as a backpack, shoulder, or even crossbody with the adjustable straps that come with it. It's really versatile. I feel like this is the perfect travel bag as well. It keeps your hands free, it's light, and the zipper is super secure. This one is made in Italy and you can find the tag tucked right inside the back pocket. What I love also about this, even though it's monogram, it's not too loud. It's small. You can throw it on with a casual airport outfit or even a cute summer dress and it still works. Definitely a go-to for city exploring or even theme park days. Now, let's move on to Chanel. I'm really excited about this one. I rarely see this color and it just looked beautiful to pass up. It's the wallet on chain in Choco Brown. Look at that rich chocolate brown shade. It's elegant, understated, and still gives you that classic Chanel vibe. The caviar leather gives it texture and makes it more durable than the lambskin, which is great if you don't want to baby your bags. It's in gold hardware, which I prefer because it really matches the brown or choco color. Since we don't have a Chanel store in the Philippines, I asked a trusted personal shopper to source this for me. This one was made in Italy and it's such a practical piece. It fits your basic essentials, cards, phone, lipstick, and still manages to look so put together. It's definitely something I'll be bringing for dinners, formal events, or even travel nights where I don't want to carry a full bag. You can also dress it down, pair it with jeans, a simple tee, and sneakers, and still looks effortless and chic. You can wear it as a clutch, shoulder, or crossbody. I've ordered a base shaper for this to maximize the space as well as to protect the bottom in a way. The last piece I got is from Dior. And as you can see, by the size of the box, it's not a bag. It's the Dior sandals in powder beige. I've been eyeing for this style for a while now and it's one of Dior's classic sandals. It's both fashionable and functional. It's a bit chunkier than your usual flat sandals but still super chic. These have that modern elevated look with the adjustable Velcro straps and subtle Christian Dior branding on the side. The color is absolutely perfect, soft and neutral, but not too pale. The lining is lambskin with gold finish metal. Anatomically shaped leather insole. The sole is rubber with star, Christian Dior's lucky symbol, and it's made in Italy. I got them in size 38.5. The molded footbed makes them really comfortable for long wear. I also feel like these are perfect for travel. Whether for sightseeing, going to brunch, or shopping, they're easy to walk in, easy to match, and just give that understated luxury vibe. So that's my full unboxing, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Dior. I'm super excited to start using them, especially while traveling. Each piece just fits into my lifestyle in a different way. And hopefully, you got to hear a bit of my personal take on all the made in China talk that's been going around. To me, luxury is about more than just a label. It's about quality, craftsmanship, and a brand's reputation. And if you trust the brand in the process, then that's what matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon for new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!